Welcome to the solutions video for the Khan Academy Precalculus and Behavior of Rational Functions assignment. So let's take a look at this rational function. We want to find the function's end behavior. Now again, the end behavior is what happens to this function when x goes to either positive or negative infinity. Which means all that's going to matter is the term with the highest degree in each of the numerator and denominator. Right? If you think about it, as x goes to 1,000, the negative 8x cubed is going to be a much bigger impact than the minus 1 or the 5x squared. When it goes to 1,000,000, that's more pronounced. When it goes to 1,000,000,000, that's even more pronounced. So as we're looking at end behavior, we identify the term, because it may not be written in order, with the highest degree. In this case, in both numerator and denominator, we have an x cubed term. So if we were going to simplify that, as x goes to, with an arrow, either positive or negative infinity, f of x is going to go to roughly a negative 8x cubed. So this scratch pad is not very responsive. Over 2x cubed. So this is what it will approximately equal. If we cancel the x cubes in the common 2, then that's a negative 4. And there it doesn't matter if x is positive or negative. So this is going to go to negative 4 on both ends. Here, the highest term in our denominator is x to the 5th. Well, that's greater than x to the 4th. If we do our approximation here, negative x to the 4 over negative 3x to the 5th, right? That is 1 over 3x. As x goes to infinity, this will go to 0, because that x in the denominator is just going to swamp everything else. So anytime the degree of the denominator is higher than the degree of the numerator, that rational expression will go to 0. Now here, our numerator has a degree greater than our denominator. So as x goes to positive infinity, this is also going to go to positive infinity. This simplifies to about 3x cubed. Because it's cubed, when x is negative, that ratio is negative. So the negative end goes to negative infinity. So here, numerator, the degree of the numerator is again greater than the degree of the denominator. This simplifies to about 9x exponent 4, which means we're going to go to positive infinity on both sides because an even exponent is a positive number and it has a positive coefficient.